Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learned about the meaning and features of principles of management. In today's lesson, we shall be discussing a case study based on the same topic. So let I tell you the very first thing that before going to the case, we shall be discussing and we shall be taking the question first, that what is being asked. The question is, identify the feature or principles of management from the above case and explain it. So the feature, a particular feature we have to give in answer in this case. So let us recall that what features we have learned. These are general in nature, so these provide general guidelines formed through practice and experimentation, contingent, flexible, cause and effect relationship, mainly behavioral, and universal applicability. Let us see that which particular feature is being asked here. So the case is, with the dawn of the year 2020, COVID-19, a pandemic, broke out in the world and affected many countries and brought a complete lockdown in India. Most of the organizations tested and developed various techniques to combat against it. Combat means to fight against it, to cope up with this situation. In the field of education, technology came to our rescue, which has made the education accessible throughout the world. In the beginning of the new session, the education department was made to work from home and conduct classes online for the students with the use of internet and mobile apps, virtual lessons, etc. as a measure to carry out its activities. The whole education system adjusted through this change at large to achieve its goals. So the case is saying about a condition, particular situation which broke out in the beginning of the year 2020. So in all the questions which are based on a case, there are some clues which will give us a hint that which particular answer we have to quote. So let us see those clues. In this case, here it is a pandemic broke out. That is a particular situation. And that led to complete lockdown. When there was a complete lockdown, all the activities were stopped. So उस सिचुएशन के साथ डील करने के लिए मोस्टली बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने बहुत से टेक्निक्स और मेथड डेवलप किए ताकि वो अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को कैरी आउट कर सकें. Here we are given the case of a particular department and that is education. कि education के field में क्या किया गया to make the education accessible throughout the world. Technology came to our rescue. कि technology ने बहुत बड़ा role play किया and in the beginning of the new session, जैसे ही 2020 के ये जो पैंडेमिक ब्रेकआउट हुआ और 31 मार्च को ईयर क्लोज हुआ and from the 1st April when the new year was to be started with the new session, the education department was made to work from home. So उनको घर से ही काम करने के लिए जो है वो कहा गया. कहाँ पहले वो जो रेगुलर क्लासेस रूम में काम होता था, लेकिन अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए that department took the help of technology and started working from home. For that, virtual lesson, mobile app, etc. were used to carry out their activities. कि उनकी activities को carry out करने के लिए ये हमने जो है कुछ method techniques निकाल ली और वो बहुत ही successful रही. But to made it successful, the whole education system adjusted through this change at large. अब ये हमने वर्ड जो है वो किस फीचर में पढ़ा था, दैट टू एडजस्ट, प्रिवेलिंग कंडीशन, सिचुएशन. जब ये सारे पॉइंट मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो इन दैट केस द पर्टिकुलर आंसर कम्स टू बी दैट मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स आर कॉन्टिंजेंट. कि जो हमें जो है अपने रूटीन सेटअप से बाहर निकलकर हमें काम करना जो है वो पड़ जाए तो हम उस सिचुएशन को फेस करते हैं. सो लेट अस सी द आंसर. The answer is the feature which is involved here, that is management principles are contingent because the routine setup of imparting education changed due to this situation, pandemic, at that particular point of time due to that particular situation, and that particular situation was complete lockdown. So to cope up with that condition, the education department adjusted with the prevailing condition and found a particular way to carry out its activities. So with this, the case is over. We have got the answer. Thank you. In the next video, we shall be meeting.